Well, innovation is oftentimes just referred in terms of consumer packaged goods as a new product and a new thing that gets put in a new package. In this case, it's new material that is going into a product that has been in the market for 70+ years. Styrofoam has some interesting interpretations from the consumer, and we thought that we had a responsibility to look at how that material selection could be changed to come up with a new product. And the new product is simply called foam. It's made from post-consumer recycled plastic.
We're taking clothing hangers from the retail market and utilizing those in our raw material.
With this new innovation, we're going to basically create the same amount of foam but take out 1,000 miles of plastic. So you can imagine like the distance from New York to St. Louis is all of a sudden eliminated. When we put it in front of the consumers like the performance of our foam better than the legacy foam that they've worked with for years.
But changing the raw materials changes everything.
We want to be better for the environment. We want this world to last longer. So anything we can do to help that, it's just going to make this place better to live in.